Hey there. So thinking what we have made today we have made a touch alarm. As we can see that we have used a touch sensor here and an LED and a buzzer here with Arduino. So whenever I'm placing my hand here, the buzzer is giving us the alarm. So as we can see that it is working perfectly. Like whenever I'm getting hand nearby the sensor, the buzzer is giving alarm. So here we have not made only the touch sensor, also the output of this, like whenever there is touch detected or there is no touch, it will be reflected in the serial monitor of our computer. So this is the touch sensor we are using, and here we have the LED and as well as the resistor with a buzzer connected here. So now in this we have taken common output pin, that is 13 pin, and the ground pin of the Arduino to the buzzer as well as the LED light. So let us start to make this one. So now the connection is as shown in the circuit diagram. Yeah, so as we have seen the circuit diagram and the circuits of our project, now let us see the code. So here we have a complete code. So in this, now we are starting with int. So that is, input pin, that is, we are telling that which pin is used as what. So touch pin will be on pin number 2 of the Arduino. So here 2 means the digital pin. Uh, 13 means also a digital pin. We are defining only digital pins in these two lines. So that is pin number 2 will be the touch pin, that is the sensor pin, and the pin number 13 is the LED pin, which is the output pin. You can name it as LED and something like LED plus buzzer or something like that, or anything we can name this pin. So after giving the input ints, we are going to void setup. So in void setup, what we are doing is we are telling the modes of the pin, like what pin is doing what. So as I told here, the touch pin is input. So here the touch pin will be input, and the LED pin 13, that is pin number 13, will be the output. The same we are defining here. And after that, what should be the common output? So here the LED pin, that is pin number 13, is defaultly low on that is what we are telling it, and what we should do we will see in the coming part. So here the serial begin will be 9600, that is, this is the communication bound rate. So that is where the serial monitor will start, as we have mentioned here. So now after closing the setup, we are going to the loop. So in loop, what we are doing is the touch state here will be the touch pin. So whenever the sensor gives the output as 1, that means there is a touch. If there is 0, that is 1 and 0 are binary numbers which is understand by computers like our PC and the Arduino, etc. So now here the LED pin is dependent on the touch state. So as we can see that the digital write, that is the output, will be depended on LED and touch state. So if the touch state is high, then the touch is detected. That means when there is a sensor status, sensor sense the something on it, then there will be a serial print in the serial monitor here of touch detected or no touch. So and the LED will be low. So here the delay will be 200 seconds. So sorry, 200 milliseconds for readability. Like we can read that, right? So if there is delay, we can read that. So you can increase this for 2 seconds, and now I have kept it for 2 milliseconds. So now this is what our code says. Now let us verify the code and let's see if there is any output. So we will wait for it to compile. Yeah, so as we can see that there is no output here, and now what we are going to do is we will select the board that is Arduino Uno. So I have already selected it, and okay. So sometimes, even though you are connected, you cannot see the communication port. So then what you are going to do is you will reconnect the Arduino and see. Now I got the communication port here. So as you can see that, then I will click on OK and I will upload the code. So first it will compile and then it will automatically upload it. So now it is uploading, and yeah, it is done uploading. So let us see the output of our Arduino. Yeah, so now we have seen the code and we have uploaded it, and we have learned the connections also. So now what we are going to do is we will see how it is working. So now whenever I'm placing my hand here on the sensor, the LED is turning on and the buzzer is giving us the alarm. So now we can see that even when I get my hand little bit close to it, even without touching, the LED is turning on. Why? Because the sensitivity of the sensor will be too high. So that is why it will give the alarm. So now like this we have successfully made the touch alarm system with just the Arduino touch sensor and LED and a buzzer. So this is how we make some cool things out of simple things. So that's it for now. See you in the next video, Robot Builders.